Imagine stepping outside into your backyard. It's just grass, trees, and maybe a flower bed, right? Think again. Hidden beneath the surface and among the leaves is an entire world you've probably never noticed. Today we'll uncover the hidden creatures of your yard and reveal their secrets. The biodiversity you never knew existed. Your backyard might seem ordinary, but did you know it could be home to hundreds of different species? From tiny insects and spiders to birds and amphibians. This ecosystem thrives in ways we often overlook. Even a small patch of grass can host a bustling micro-world where ants build underground kingdoms and bees dance between flowers. The unsung heroes of the ecosystem. Why does backyard biodiversity matter? Every creature, no matter how small, plays a role in keeping the ecosystem balanced. Earthworms aerate the soil, pollinators ensure plants can reproduce, and spiders keep pest populations in check. Even nocturnal visitors like owls or bats contribute by controlling rodents and insects. 3. Hidden stars of your yard. Let's meet some of the hidden stars. Praying mantises, masters of disguise and lethal hunters in the garden. Ladybugs, tiny warriors that defend plants by eating aphids. Fireflies, nature's light show, glowing to attract mates. Woodlice, humble decomposers, breaking down organic material. Frogs and toads, natural pest controllers that thrive in damp corners. 4. How to encourage more life in your yard. Want to attract even more biodiversity? Try these tips. Plant native flowers. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Leave some logs and leaves. These provide shelter for insects and amphibians. Add a water feature. Even a small pond can draw frogs, dragonflies, and birds. Avoid pesticides. Protect natural predators that help control pests naturally. Next time you step into your yard, take a closer look. What might seem ordinary is actually an extraordinary ecosystem teeming with life. Which hidden creatures have you spotted in your own backyard? Share your discoveries in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing nature explorations beyond horizons.